Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to turn on or how to get account notification for your iPhone. The device that I use today is iPhone XR, and the way to get the notifications or account notifications style, you just need to go open your settings, and right after that there will be like shown here the second boxes that containing about the notifications, sounds, focus, and screen time. You just need to open your notification sections. And if you want to get the count style for your notification, you just need to take a look on this display as there will be like three options, so you can just choose either you want to have a count, stack, or list. So count here, there will be only a one bubbles that pop up on your screen, on your lock screen especially, and there will be an account number notification, while the stack, they will be provide you the notifications in list. It's just the same, but then in the stocks here they will be like minimized to be a one bubbles only before you like expand it. So to get an count notification, go click this count, and you just need to go back and you're done. So that is the way how to get account notification styles for your iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you for the next tutorial.